Find the breadth of a rectangular plot if its area is 510 meters square and the length is 30 meters. So they have given length is 30 meters. They are asking us to find the breadth. Okay, we have to find the breadth and how much area they have given area. What is the area they have given total area?
510 meters square.
Okay, his area is 510 meters square. Done. So what is area formula? Area of rectangle area is equals to L into B. So area is 510 meters square. Length is 30 meters. We have to find the breadth. So if you shift this number here, it is multiplication. So when you shift it to the other side, it will become
Division.
Is equal to B. 0 0 cancel. So 51 meter. Can we cancel meter and meter square? Meter square will get cancelled. So 51 meters by 3 is equal to B. So 51 by 3. 3 into 17. 17 3 is how much? 51. So what is the value of B?
51 meter.
Ray, 17 meters. Do the cancellation. So value of B is 51.